In this tutorial, we are going to learn what is meant by predation. A predator is an organism that feeds on other organism. This other organism is known as their prey. So, predation occurs when one organism is consumed by another. Now, because predators have evolved, now they have become better adapted for capturing their prey, faster movement, more effective camouflage, and better means of detecting their prey. On the other hand, prey have equally become more adapted at avoiding predators, better camouflage, better protective features, such as spines. In other words, the predator and the prey have evolved alongside each other. If either of them had not matched the adaptations of the other, it would most probably have become extinct.